Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you have a garden, yard, or patio and currently looking for a bird bath that has a water wiggler or bird bath dripper? If you're looking for a garden bird bath, then the water rippling bird bath will be the perfect product for you. This is a bird bath that has moving water which will attract more birds to your bird bath. Now you can surely attract not only beautiful birds, but also friends, guests, and family members as well. This is ideal for your garden, yard, or patio. Here are its product information. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 12 by 22 by 27.5. Weight is 10 pounds. Type is water rippling. So now that you know all the details about this bird bath, then it's time to get it. Grab the water rippling bird bath today at a very affordable price. We assure you that you, birds, and guests will surely love this elegant looking bird bath, so better grab one today. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.